Hey guys, what's up? I just lost one of my thunderstorm videos. It's not raining right now though. It's really sunny. Um, but that one I just published was talking about where it was raining, and I was talking about it was severe thunderstorm. And we did get under a tornado watch, but no tornado warning. But then it all ended on Thursday. But yeah, it was bad, but then it ended up quitting. But yeah, and then I have to find another day where it's supposed to rain and come out here and film it. But yeah, I'll try to get it done. But yeah, I'm just really sorry I lost one of those really good videos. But yeah, I'm gonna go. But don't forget to like and subscribe.